Great. So, today's video, I don't really know what today's video is. It's essentially, I went into my parents' garage, picked out a bunch of stuff, and now I'm gonna try and see if I can make anything interesting with it. I do obviously have some normal standard makeup. I don't think I could create a makeup look just with objects, and I ain't about to go through my parents' fridge and start trying to apply stuff to my face and do the whole food to foundation, whatever it is that I sometimes see knocking about on YouTube. If I get a spot just from being alive, then I can't imagine what state my skin would be in if I decided to start rubbing my mum's coleslaw across my face. So I grabbed a couple of different things. The one that caught my eye the most was these. Maybe someone in the comments will let me know what the purpose of these are, because I don't know what they are supposed to do. I don't know whether it's off a machine or I don't know, but they look interesting and they look like they'd be cool to stick all over my face and look kind of weird. So we'll see with those. I also picked up some nails, which I'm now regretting because I don't think these are gonna work. I have seen a few nail looks in the past, but it's only when I got into this room and sat them down on the table and realized the reason why I never use objects like this or any other kind of sharp implemented object on my face in any of my other makeup looks. Yes, I would love to try a knife through the eye or like scissors going through the cheek or something like that, but it goes against one of the biggest rules in SFX makeup, and that is don't stick things to your face that could then result in the actual injury. If you stick half a knife to your eye, you could then potentially fall onto said knife and then actually create the injury that you replicated. So overall, never apply sharp, hard things to any part of your body. And even if you think it's just, you know, just for photos and you're gonna be sat there and then you're gonna take it off, anything could happen and it's not worth it. You could fall out your chair. I don't know, dude. Like, it's just not worth it. It's not worth the risk of potentially injuring yourself. So I picked up these. I'm gonna go and put them back. Not right now, but they're not gonna go on my face after all. Sorry to disappoint, but I ain't gonna start sticking nails to my face. Not a good idea. So the next thing that I picked up was some chubby boys. So I would absolutely love, oh, these are dirty. Okay, so I'm gonna clean these first and then use them because there's like a level of grime on there that I'm not really sure if I want to put them on my face. But evidently it might not even work anyway because these are quite light, but the only thing I brought was just a standard adhesive. I just brought eyelash glue because I'm a moron and I didn't bring any Prozade with me. I did not bring any spirit gum with me or any harsh adhesive, so these may or may not work. I really want them to work because I think it'd be really cool to have tubes coming out my face, but we'll see. The next thing that I picked is almost a backup. So if the hoops and the tubes don't work, I am just gonna wrap my face like this and go with it like this. We'll just see how this goes. So the first thing I'm gonna start with, before I do anything with those, I'm gonna prep my face with a little bit of moisturizer. Some primer, that all over my face. Come on, wax some foundation on there. Whoop. Yeah, it's blended enough. Let's get some powder. And we're done. Okay, so let's get my lash glue out, wherever it's gone. I think I forgot my lash glue. So, I have just realised now that I've forgotten my lash glue, which is great. So I'm going to be doing this legitimately purely with stuff that I found in my parents' garage. So I'm going to be adhering everything with a Pritt stick because it is the safest adhesive that I can find in my parents' garage. So I'm going to make a start by sticking on these hoops. They're in like a couple of different sizes and slightly different shapes. So we've got thin ones like this, and then we've got ones that are like this. We've got a little weird one like that, which can't quite decide what I want to do yet with that one. I might stick that in the middle of my face like this. But actually, I think I might make a start with that one. Because I don't have any proper adhesive with me, I am probably not going to get the big tubes to work. So this makeup look is quickly turning into a disaster. Come on, Pritt stick. Okay. Get it central. No, don't come off. Okay. I'm also gonna have to avoid moving my eyebrows so much because this isn't the strongest adhesive, so I really don't want it to come off. The only other option for adhesive was super glue, and I feel like that's very much on the opposite end of the spectrum, and I don't want to be going around sticking things to my face with super glue, so we're gonna stay clear of that. There? No, not there. No. Okay. Stick. There. It looks like I've got a tiny face on my face, like, oh. Okay, I think that's it for the hoops. This one's coming off. I really want to make something with these tubes. I think I might just... I'm going to use this hoop, kind of like that. What next? I'm also realising now that I could have been really clever and glued down my brows. Yay.